Have you ever wondered why turmeric has been revered for centuries as a remarkable health elixir? What if I told you that this golden spice holds the key to unlocking 22 incredible health benefits? Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to unveil the wonders of turmeric like never before. So, whether you're a turmeric enthusiast or just looking to improve your health naturally, this video is a goldmine of information you won't want to miss. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health-boosting content. Let's start with number 1. Dive into the curcumin magic. Curcumin, found in turmeric, acts as your inflammation-fighting hero. Picture this: a swollen joint. Turmeric comes to the rescue, soothing the inflammation and reducing pain. It's like a superhero tackling the villains of arthritis and joint pain, giving you the freedom to move painlessly. Curcumin's natural anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful ally in the battle against discomfort and joint issues. Next, number 2. Boost your brain power with a dash of curcumin. Meet brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, the brain's growth hormone. Think of BDNF as the architect designing new brain connections. Now, imagine curcumin as the fuel that powers this growth, enhancing memory, focus, and overall cognitive abilities. It's like a brain workout that keeps you sharp and agile. Curcumin's role in promoting BDNF production supports mental agility, helping you stay mentally fit and agile. Go to number 3. Wave goodbye to joint pain woes. Imagine waking up with pain-free joints, ready to conquer the day. Curcumin, the inflammation warrior, steps in. It doesn't discriminate between rheumatoid or osteoarthritis. It tackles both. It's like having a personal joint health coach that empowers you to move freely and painlessly. With curcumin's versatile anti-inflammatory action, it's your ticket to a life with reduced joint discomfort, whether you face rheumatoid or osteoarthritis. Number 4. We have transformed your diabetes management with curcumin's touch. Picture your body as a well-oiled machine, and curcumin as the mechanic fine-tuning insulin sensitivity. It's like having a metabolic makeover, keeping blood sugar levels in check and promoting overall well-being. Curcumin's influence on insulin sensitivity acts as a guardian for your health, contributing to better diabetes management and enhancing your overall sense of well-being. Coming in at number 5. Say hello to a happy tummy with curcumin's magic. Imagine your digestive system as a symphony. Curcumin steps in as the conductor, harmonizing bile production and easing digestion. It's like a soothing melody that calms bloating, gas, and discomfort, leaving you feeling light and content. Curcumin's role in promoting digestive harmony makes it a valuable conductor in the orchestra of gut health, helping you achieve a more comfortable and contented state. Next, number 6. Boost your liver's detox power with curcumin's support. Picture your liver as a diligent cleaner. Curcumin steps in as the superhero cleaner, sweeping away toxins and promoting cell regeneration. It's like having a liver spa day, ensuring your body stays sparkling clean and vibrant. Curcumin acts as the liver's trusted ally, helping your body detoxify and rejuvenate, leaving you feeling refreshed and full of vitality. Number 7. A natural mood enhancer for your mind. Imagine curcumin as a ray of sunshine in your brain. It brightens up your mood by reducing inflammation and nurturing brain cells. It's like a mental hug that lifts the clouds of depression and anxiety, bringing warmth to your mental well-being. Curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation and support brain health acts as a natural mood booster, providing a brighter outlook and enhanced mental well-being. 8. Fortify your immune fortress with curcumin's power. Visualize your immune cells as an army ready for battle. Curcumin steps in as the commander, enhancing their activity and boosting your defense against infections. It's like having an immune superhero by your side, ensuring you stay strong and resilient. Curcumin's role in bolstering immune cell activity makes it a vital commander in your body's defense, helping you stay robust and ready to face potential infections. Next, number 9. Witness your weight management journey powered by curcumin. Picture your metabolism as a roaring furnace. Curcumin steps in as the fuel, igniting fat breakdown and reducing inflammation in fat tissues. It's like having a personal trainer for your metabolism, supporting healthy weight management. Curcumin's role in stoking your metabolic furnace aids in fat reduction and inflammation control, acting as a reliable trainer in your weight management journey. 10. Curcumin's potential in the fight against cancer. Imagine cancer cells as unwanted guests. Curcumin steps in as the bouncer, inhibiting their growth with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess. It's like having a vigilant security guard that reduces the risk of certain types of cancer, offering hope and prevention. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties act as a formidable bouncer against cancer cells, providing hope and preventive measures against specific cancer types. Number 11. We have embraced curcumin for radiant skin that glows from within. Imagine curcumin as a spa treatment for your skin. It clears acne, reduces wrinkles, and calms inflammation, unveiling a complexion that's as vibrant as your spirit. It's like having a beauty elixir that enhances your skin's natural radiance. Curcumin serves as a rejuvenating spa treatment for your skin, offering relief from acne, wrinkles, and inflammation, unveiling a complexion that radiates beauty and matches your vibrant spirit. Liking this video so far? Before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health information and tips for leading a healthier life. Landing at number 12, curcumin's balancing act for a healthy heart. Visualize curcumin as a referee in the cholesterol game. It lowers LDL cholesterol, the troublemaker, and raises HDL cholesterol, the hero. It's like having a cholesterol coach that maintains the perfect balance for a heart that beats with joy. Curcumin takes on the role of a cholesterol referee, reducing the troublesome LDL cholesterol and boosting the beneficial HDL cholesterol, acting as a coach for a heart that thrives in perfect balance and exudes happiness. Go to number 13, curcumin symphony for a harmonious gut. Picture your gut as a thriving ecosystem. Curcumin steps in as the conductor, promoting the growth of good bacteria and maintaining a balanced environment. It's like having a gut maestro that orchestrates better digestion and immunity. Curcumin, as the gut's conductor, fosters a flourishing environment by nurturing beneficial bacteria, ensuring digestion and immunity are in perfect harmony, just like a well-coordinated symphony. 14. Curcumin's promise in the battle against Alzheimer's. Imagine curcumin as a brave explorer in your brain. It clears plaques and fights inflammation, becoming your ally in managing and preventing Alzheimer's. It's like having a guardian that protects your brain's precious memories. Curcumin's role as a courageous brain explorer involves plaque clearance and inflammation control, serving as a dedicated guardian to safeguard your cherished memories, offering hope in the fight against Alzheimer's. 15. Let's talk about safeguard your vision with curcumin's watchful eye. Visualize curcumin as your eye's guardian angel. It shields your eyes from age-related damage and reduces the risk of macular degeneration, ensuring your vision stays crystal clear. It's like having a vision protector that sees the world with you. Curcumin, as your eye's guardian angel, safeguards against age-related damage and the risk of macular degeneration, ensuring your vision remains crystal clear, like a dedicated protector who views the world alongside you. 16. Curcumin is your ally against chronic pain. Picture chronic pain as a heavy weight. Curcumin steps in as a reliever, soothing inflammation and bringing relief. It's like having a pain whisperer that eases your discomfort, allowing you to live life to the fullest. Curcumin serves as a compassionate pain reliever, easing the burden of chronic pain by soothing inflammation, enabling you to live life to the fullest with comfort, just like a skilled whisperer of pain. Number 17, we have curcumin's soothing touch for allergies. Imagine curcumin as a gentle breeze that calms the storm of allergies. It reduces inflammation, alleviating allergic reactions, and bringing comfort during allergy seasons. It's like having a natural remedy that lets you breathe easy. Curcumin acts as a comforting breeze in the storm of allergies, soothing inflammation, and providing relief during allergy seasons, offering a natural remedy that allows you to breathe with ease. Next, number 18, curcumin's support for strong bones. Picture curcumin as a guardian of your bones. It fights inflammation, protecting your bones from the risk of osteoporosis. It's like having a bone defender that ensures your foundation remains sturdy and unbreakable. Curcumin takes on the role of a vigilant bone guardian, combating inflammation to shield your bones from the threat of osteoporosis, like a protector, ensuring your foundation remains strong and resilient. 19. Elevate your fitness journey with curcumin. Imagine curcumin as your workout partner. It reduces exercise-induced inflammation, helping your muscles recover faster and boosting your endurance. It's like having a personal trainer that maximizes your performance. Curcumin acts as your dedicated workout partner, alleviating exercise-induced inflammation, promoting quicker muscle recovery, and enhancing endurance, akin to a personal trainer who optimizes your athletic performance. Got to number 20. Curcumin's flow for healthy blood circulation. Visualize your blood vessels as rivers of life. Curcumin steps in as the river guide, enhancing blood flow and maintaining healthy blood pressure. It's like having a circulation conductor that keeps your cardiovascular system in harmony. Curcumin takes on the role of a river guide for your blood vessels, promoting optimal blood flow and supporting healthy blood pressure, akin to a conductor that maintains the harmony of your cardiovascular system. Number 21, we have curcumin's embrace for IBS relief. Picture curcumin as a soothing touch for your gut. It reduces inflammation, eases discomfort, and regulates bowel movements, offering relief for those with irritable bowel syndrome. It's like having a gut healer that brings peace to your tummy. Curcumin acts as a comforting presence for your gut, mitigating inflammation, alleviating discomfort, and normalizing bowel movements, providing solace for individuals dealing with irritable bowel syndrome, like a soothing gut healer that brings tranquility to your abdomen. Finally, at number 22, we have curcumin's symphony of well-being. Imagine curcumin as your body's orchestra conductor. It enhances immune function, reduces inflammation, and fights oxidative stress, harmonizing your body's defense for optimal health. It's like having a well-being maestro that keeps you in tune with vitality. Curcumin serves as the conductor of your body's orchestra, elevating immune function, quelling inflammation, and battling oxidative stress, orchestrating a harmonious defense for your overall well-being, much like a maestro ensuring you stay in tune with vitality. And there you have it, 22 incredible reasons to welcome turmeric into your life. Before you embark on this golden journey, remember to savor the power of turmeric wisely. Just a teaspoon sprinkled into your dishes can work wonders. Let's embrace the gift of turmeric together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content that empowers your journey to a healthier, happier you. Join us in this voyage towards well-being today. Thanks for watching.